There's a quiet strength inside those who've suffered too much. It's not emptiness, it's wisdom. Behind their calm eyes are storms they've survived, and lessons pain has carved into their soul. They've loved, lost, and learned that peace is more powerful than pride. Today, we're uncovering the 7 traits of those who've suffered deeply and how pain can shape the most beautiful kind of strength. Number 1. They're emotionally mature. People who've seen chaos no longer react to every small problem. They've been through nights of pain, heartbreak, and confusion. They've learned that not everything deserves a reaction. Their calmness doesn't come from weakness. It comes from understanding. They've survived moments that nearly destroyed them, so they refuse to be consumed by small frustrations. Emotional maturity isn't about age, it's about endurance. And they've endured enough to know that peace is always worth keeping. Number 2. They value silence. Once they tried to explain everything: their pain, their feelings, their worth, but after being misunderstood again and again, they realized silence can be more healing than words. Silence has become their safe place, a space where thoughts settle and the heart can finally breathe. People may think they've become distant, but they haven't. They've simply learned that peace is found in stillness, not in noise. Number 3. They carry deep empathy. Pain has a way of opening the eyes. Those who've suffered too much can sense sadness in others instantly. They notice the tremble in a voice, the hesitation in laughter, the loneliness behind a smile. They've been there, they know what it's like to feel unseen, unheard, unloved. That's why they're kind. They comfort softly, help quietly, and listen without judgment. Their empathy doesn't come from sympathy. It comes from memory. They don't want others to feel what they once felt, so they offer warmth wherever they can. Their pain became their compass for compassion. Number 4. They struggle to trust. They once trusted freely until betrayal taught them caution. People they believed in turned into lessons, and those lessons changed everything. Now, they protect their heart behind invisible walls. They observe before they speak. They listen before they share. They move slowly, carefully. They're not cold, they're guarded. Their silence isn't indifference. It's self-protection. And if they finally trust you, understand how rare that is. Because for them, opening up means fighting against every past memory that said, "Don't do it. It'll hurt again." Number 5. They appreciate the smallest joys. When you've lost big things, small things start to shine brighter. People who've suffered too much find beauty in simplicity: a warm drink, a soft laugh, a moment of silence. Every small blessing becomes a reason to smile. They no longer chase happiness, they notice it. They know that peace isn't found in having everything, but in appreciating what's already there. Gratitude becomes their quiet form of prayer. Number 6. They overthink and blame themselves. Pain doesn't just live in the heart, it lingers in the mind. People who've suffered too much replay moments endlessly. They ask themselves what they could have done differently. They apologize for things that weren't their fault. They carry guilt that isn't theirs to carry. But over time, they learn. They begin to see that blaming themselves won't fix the past. They learn that healing isn't about forgetting. It's about forgiving. Slowly, they start speaking kindly to themselves again. And for the first time in a long time, they start to feel free. Number 7. They possess quiet strength. Their strength doesn't shout, it whispers. It's in the way they keep moving forward when no one's watching. It's in their ability to smile through pain, to forgive even when they've been wronged, to love when they have every reason not to. They don't seek recognition, they just keep going. Their resilience isn't loud or dramatic. It's steady and silent. They've met their own darkness and learned how to hold light again. And that's the kind of strength that can't be fake, the kind that only pain can teach. In the end, those who've suffered too much don't crave attention, they crave peace. Healing isn't forgetting the pain. It's learning to live beyond it. Their scars aren't signs of weakness, they're proof of survival. Every tear taught them something. Every wound shaped who they are. So if you've been through too much, remember this. You're not broken, you're rebuilt. And your story might be the light someone else is waiting for.